Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to reprogram an Audi A4 key fob. First, make sure your key fob has a new, fully charged battery, as a low battery is a common reason for issues. You will need all key fobs you want to program with you inside your vehicle. Ensure all the car doors are securely closed before you begin the process. Now, let's begin the reprogramming. Insert your key into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position so your dashboard lights illuminate but do not start the engine. While the ignition is in this position, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob. Keep holding this button down for the next step. Continue holding the unlock button on your key fob for approximately 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, turn the ignition back to the off position. You can then remove the key from the ignition and release the unlock button. This sequence helps the car's system recognize and resync with your key fob's signal. Immediately after completing the steps, test all the functions of your key fob, including locking and unlocking the doors. If you have more than one key fob, repeat this entire process for each additional fob to ensure they are all properly synced. If your key fob still isn't working, try the process again, paying close attention to the timing. Patience is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.